To permanently change zoom level in Google Chrome, click on three dots, Settings, Appearance and Page Zoom. Any change in default zoom level applies to all websites and tabs. To change zoom level for a single website or tab, click three dots and select plus or minus buttons. Chrome browser saves your preference for next time. To see list of websites for which you have set a specific zoom level, click three dots, Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, Additional Content Settings and Zoom Levels. You can click X next to a website to reset the zoom level to the default 100%. To quickly zoom in or zoom out a web page, press Ctrl key on the keyboard of your computer and scroll forward or backward the mouse wheel of the mouse. To see a website page in full screen, click three dots and select this square box. Alternatively, press F11 button on the computer keyboard. To disable the full screen mode, you can move mouse toward upward border of the screen or press F11 again. Watch next videos for more Chrome tips.